Lingua Latina Viva, Origin and Development of an European Project. Work done by Irene Ranz, Julia Sastre, Ayman El Ouahabi, and Enara Ranz. Presentation explained by Enara Ranz. In 2021, Yekutsa and Daniela from the Liceul, Miron, Costin in Iasi, Romania, are looking for partners to create a dictionary of Romance languages. They only found a collaborator in Giacomo Gilani from the Latin department of the IES Duque de Alburquerque in Cuellar, Spain, with whom they began to work together. At that time, Marina Salazar from the language department also joined the project, and negotiation with a school in Italy and with those in other countries did not bear any fruit. The project is part of the European Etwinning network, a page in which teachers, centers, and students from schools in Europe connect and carry out common projects remotely, without implying physical mobility. It was decided to adopt French as the official language of the project. Diana Maxa, a French teacher, wrote the project in French, as it is a dictionary of Roman languages and French is the best-known Roman language in Europe. Romania develops the project to work on a series of contents developed in units called Mea Patria, Mea Familia, Scola Otium, Cena, Tempus, Homo Religius, to which praepositiones et conjugationes and pronomines are later added. We begin to work in a very basic way with some students in the fourth year of ESO and with those in the first year of baccalaureate, searching for words and themes and also creating the presentation of Cuellar and our center. During this course, the Etwinning page migrates to another European page, so the old projects are disconfigured and prevent us from continue the work with that page. It does not allow you to upload materials or enroll a student. It becomes unfeasible to work with the Etwinning. After Giacomo's visits in October 2022 to Iasi, Erasmus Project KA 122, the decision was made to work with Google Classroom, a page with the text and Excel sections that the Romanian team activates with all its sections. Those began to full development of the project, which, due to the different workload of the Latin subject in Romania and Spain, 1 hour per week in Romania and 4 hours per week in Spain, presents two aspects: Google Classroom for both countries, Romance Languages Dictionary, and Moodle only for Spain, in which they study the phonetic evolution from the Latin to Spain, Portuguese, and Italian. Most of it has been selected by the Romanian team. Then the Spanish team made their contributions, adding or removing words. Adjectives and verbs have also been added, not just known as initially proposed. We have chosen to select words that are widely used and that have a certain similarity between the 5 selected languages: Romanian, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, and French. The Romanian team was in charge of finding the translations from Latin to Romanian and French, the Spanish team from Latin to Spain, Portuguese, and Italian. Once the words from each section were selected, approximately 50, they were distributed among the students. At first, 5 words from each one, and then they continue advancing 5 at a time. A lot of time was invested in the first unit, Mea Patria, because it was the first and because we didn't know what we were going to face. After this first laborious section, the project progressed more quickly and safely. It was a huge amount of work, but in the end, the result was extremely positive. Work has been done throughout the first evaluation on the review of all sections. The Spanish part was in charge of reviewing the accentuation, long or short, of the vowels of the Latin words, as well as controlling their correct translation in Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, and also French, since there were some incomplete words. Even a few more words were added so that the main sections all had the same number of words. For its part, the Romanian team was in charge of reviewing the Romanian translations and began to design icons of some words. It remains to review the preposition and conjugation section, delete the adjective section and transfer it to the main section, and finally finish off the pronouns. Lingua Latina Viva.